Fannie Mae just rolled out a pretty big change for conventional loans, and I want to clear up some of the confusion around it. Starting with desktop underwriter loan case files registered on or after November 16th, 2025, Fannie Mae is no longer using a minimum credit score requirement. Now, that doesn't mean anyone with a really low score is going to get approved. What it does mean is that DU isn't automatically kicking a file out just because the score is under the old 620 mark. Instead, DU is looking at your whole credit picture: how you've paid your bills, how much credit you're using, how long you've had accounts, what you've opened recently. All of that matters. If the overall risk still looks too high, DU will absolutely come back with a refer or an ineligible. So removing the minimum doesn't magically create approvals. It just means the system is looking deeper than one number. Now here's the part most people don't hear. Lenders can still set their own minimum credit scores. These are called overlays. So even though Fannie Mae took away the minimum, a lot of lenders are still going to require 580, 600, 620, or something in that range depending on their comfort level. So this change doesn't erase lender rules, and it definitely doesn't guarantee approval. It just shifts how DU evaluates the file. And just to be clear, this change is for conventional loans only. It does not apply to FHA, VA, or USDA. FHA hasn't changed their rules. With FHA, if your score is 580 or higher, you may be eligible for the 3.5% down payment. If you're between 500 and 579, FHA requires 10% down. So if you're planning to buy a home in Florida in 2025, the real advantage here is understanding how agency guidelines, lender overlays, and DU all work together, because that's what really determines whether your file moves forward. Message me today and get educated, not sold. I'm Tim Lyons, mortgage broker here in the Sunshine State of Florida, and this is mortgage education you can trust.